was time that we made a video about cereal. Why cereal? Because everybody loves cereal. If you were a child between the year 1950 and 2000, I can pretty much guarantee you that you love cereal. I can also pretty much guarantee you that your concept of cereal is a bowl of marshmallows that we pour milk into. So today we are going to talk about a cereal that is actually meant to sustain an adult human body. Don't get me wrong, I love marshmallows. Marshmallows are an awesome dessert. They're delicious, but we can't just pour milk into marshmallows and then call it a day, right? We need something more substantial. So I made this recipe because I love Honey Bunches of Oats. But in my opinion, Honey Bunches of Oats does not contain enough fiber, enough protein, or enough fruit to actually constitute a meal in and of itself. So I designed a cereal that's a little bit more nutritionally complete. And when I made this cereal, I was originally thinking I'm probably going to be the only person in my household that eats this cereal. Lo and behold, my 4-year-old and 2-year-old got a taste of it, and they have been demanding it every single day for the past many months. I have not made scrambled eggs, French toast, pancakes, any of that for a very long time because they love this so much. So I hope that you love it. Maybe other people in your household will as well. But this recipe alone, when you include the milk in the cereal, contains 460 calories, 8 grams of fiber, and 28 grams of protein. So it is very, very hearty, and it will keep you full, and it's very nutritious. So how do we actually make the cereal? What do we put in the bowl? We need about half a serving of shredded wheat. For me, that's a handful. I just put my hand in there, pull out a handful, and put it in my bowl. Then I move on to 1 tablespoon of either pumpkin seeds or sunflower seeds or a mixture of the two. Then I add a tablespoon of roasted almonds, followed by a tablespoon of dried currants. You can use raisins or any dried fruit that you like. I like these because they taste very sweet and they're smaller than raisins. So 1 tablespoon gets spread out more in the cereal versus having a couple of big chunks of sweetness. You kind of get the sweetness everywhere in every bite. Then I add a tablespoon of hemp seeds and 2 tablespoons of granola because we do need a little bit of extra sweetness in there. And that's, of course, the best part of Honey Bunches of Oats is the bunches. And then I like to add about half a serving of unflavored collagen. I like this because it adds extra protein, and collagen, in my experience, dissolves incredibly well, whereas some other protein powders don't. That being said, it's completely optional. So if you want to do some additional nuts or additional seeds, that's what I do when I run out of this. But alternatively, you could use any protein powder that you like. And then last but not least, also totally optional, I have a turmeric shaker. It's a very anti-inflammatory spice, and it dawned on me one day, we make turmeric lattes all the time by putting turmeric in milk. If I can put it in milk and drink it on its own, I could put it in milk and then put it in cereal. So I usually put a sprinkle of this on top of my cereal just to give it a little extra anti-inflammatory boost. But I do just a little bit, so it's not enough to turn the milk bright yellow or anything. It's a very mild flavor. But I do enjoy the kind of earthiness that it gives this already very nutty flavor profile. So I hope you enjoy this recipe, and I hope you try it out.